You just typed a question and got a plain paragraph answer with no way to check if it's true. That's the problem Perplexity fixes. Real sources, cited inline, in one screen. By the end of this, you'll research anything 3 times faster. And there's one mode most people never turn on that changes everything. Perplexity. Here's exactly what to do. Go to perplexity.ai, click the search bar, and type your question in plain English, like what are the latest changes to remote work tax rules? Hit enter. You don't get 10 blue links. You get a written answer with little numbered citations next to each claim. Click a number, you jump straight to the source that backs it up. That's the whole point. You verify in one click instead of opening 15 tabs. A research task that used to eat an hour and now takes 4 minutes. But raw search isn't where the power is. Before you type, look for the focus modes. Instead of searching the whole web, you narrow it. Choose academic when you want peer-reviewed papers instead of blog spam. Choose YouTube to pull answers straight from video transcripts. Choose Reddit when you want real human opinions, not marketing pages. Same question, cleaner sources. This is the setting that separates people who get junk from people who get gold. Here's where it gets better. Don't retype context. Perplexity keeps your thread. Ask a follow-up, now compare that to last year, and it remembers what you were talking about. It even suggests the next questions for you underneath the answer. You're not searching anymore, you're having a conversation that builds. Now file upload. This is the one I run daily. Drag a PDF, a contract, a research paper, a 40-page report into the search bar and ask summarize the key risks or were the payment terms. It reads the document and answers with the exact section cited. Reading a dense contract went from 30 minutes to 30 seconds. Point it at a spreadsheet, a doc, even an image, and interrogate it like a person. Then there's spaces. Think of it as folders for your research. Create a space for a project, upload your files once, and every question you ask inside it uses those documents as context. Client work, a course you're building, market research, it all stays organized instead of buried in 100 random chats. Now the money question, free or pro? The free tier gives you a limited number of pro searches a day, plenty to test everything I just showed you. Pro runs about $20 a month and unlocks 2 things that matter. Way more pro searches and model selection. On Pro, you pick which frontier model answers you, GPT, Claude, Gemini, instead of the default. Doing quick fact checks? Stay free. Doing research for a living or client work? $20 pays for itself in the first afternoon. One warning nobody says out loud. It can still misattribute a source. The citations are the feature, so use them. Click through on anything that matters before you put your name on it. Trust but verify. That's the full workflow. Type plain questions, say your focus mode, follow up instead of retyping, drop files in for instant summaries, and organize everything in spaces. Subscribe, then do one thing right now. Open Perplexity, switch to academic mode, and ask it the hardest question in your field. Tomorrow I'm showing you how to turn Perplexity into an automated research agent that runs while you sleep.